hey 10th class, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Now you know me well. I am Anubha Gaur, your chemistry master teacher. And as I have promised to all of you that I'll make a video again on NTSE. एक topic हमारा 10th class का रह गया था. The topic was carbon and its compounds. बहुत ही important topic है, so we can't leave it. So that is why I made a special video on this Saturday also, so that you all can go through it once. Important चीजें करेंगे, okay? Because tomorrow is your exam, and for this I have a special quote for all of you. जरा पढ़ते हैं quickly. क्या है? Fly in the plane of ambition and land in the airport of success. Luck is yours, wish is mine, may your future always shine. Good luck everyone. Like NTSE is tomorrow only, so my best wishes are always with you and with you. आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. All the very best to all of you. अच्छा करना है, ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाना है, but not in that direction. ओ नहीं हो रहा, घबराना नहीं है. All of you can do it. आपने मेहनत की है, वो बेकार नहीं जाएगी. You all will do very good and you all will pass with flying colors. Yes? Are you all ready now? Enough of motivation. All the very best. And छोटा सा काम कर दीजिए. All the new students, please जल्दी से like बटन दबा दीजिए and please subscribe कर लीजिए वेदांतु को, so that every time we can come up with amazing content and can help you out with all of your academics. Yes, करेंगे? Okay, so let's start our journey of carbon and its compounds. And just a rough idea कि इस चैप्टर में what exactly is most important, क्या क्या है. अगेन स्मार्ट वर्क, क्योंकि कल एग्जाम है, जल्दी से करना है कि एक रिविजन हो जाए, गो थ्रू हो जाए, तो वी शुड नो व्हाट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, राइट. सो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ये एक क्विक मैप है जिससे आप पता कर सको दैट how many number of questions generally came from this chapter and what are the important topics. क्या देख रहे हो? 1 to 3 questions are going to come. One and not one, according to me 2 to 3 questions are definitely going to come. So कुछ important questions मैंने उठाए हैं जिसके अंदर there are already so many concepts are involved. So अगर कर लोगे you will be having a very good idea about the chapter. Yes, क्या क्या है? सबसे पहले this is very much important. एक question पक्का आएगा about the types of reaction. We know 4 to 5 types of reactions are there in this chapter. Substitution reaction in alkanes. उससे पहले just do one thing. I have made so many videos on carbon and its compounds already. Yeah, that's not for NTSE level, but at least you can have a quick revision that what exactly are these reactions, how we can name organic compounds and all. Okay? Substitution reaction, that means substitute करेंगे. Alkane में we can remove one hydrogen and that can be substituted by any other atom. Specifically halogens, just like chlorine, bromine, iodine and all. Right? Second, addition reaction and reverse of it. Addition means, as the name suggests, addition is the property of unsaturated hydrocarbon, means double and triple bond. By breaking some bonds, we can add certain substance, just like water, just like halogen, है ना. तो ये सब हम add भी कर सकते हैं. And reverse is also possible. Dehalogenation, dehydration. So that's not the part of CBSE, but NTSE में पूछ लेता है. So hydration भी कर सकते हो, addition भी कर सकते हो water का, removal भी कर सकते हो. Okay, सीखेंगे. We'll do in today's class. Then we'll do combustion reactions, which you already know from the very first chapter. Combustion is burning of a substance in presence of oxygen, right? LPG you have seen if you burn. So छोटा सा बात यहाँ पे याद रखनी है आपको, that whenever you burn a saturated hydrocarbon, saturated you know now alkanes and its derivative, then you will always get a blue flame when you burn it. Whenever you have less carbon content means that is going to burn properly in air and will give you a blue flame. Whenever you take unsaturated hydrocarbon, just like double and triple bond, they have more amount of carbon, more amount of percentage of carbon. When you burn it, they are not going to burn properly. Carbon unburned particles are there. You will get a sooty flame, yellowish flame. Sooty means black soot particles are going to evolve out. Okay, so that's a rough idea about that. घर में आपने देखा होगा whenever you burn camphor, जब पूजा करते हो you burn camphor, black soot particles are going to evolve out. That is sooty flame, है ना? So that's a rough idea about this also. Oxidation reaction करेंगे कुछ example if possible, like there are certain substances you can add oxidation, I mean oxygen into it with the help of some oxidizing agent, and they'll do oxidation of the substance. And then elimination, as I told you, reverse alcohol का elimination करेंगे. It's very important. Sometimes I have seen or analyzed previous year papers, so 3 times question was asked from this topic, so we'll do it. And this is again very much important. इसमें भी 3 to 4 times question have asked. Esterification reaction means ester formation. Whenever you take an alcohol and carboxylic acid, and whenever you mix it at specific temperature and by putting some amount of acid, you will get an ester. सीखेंगे how we can do it. सारा एक rough idea I have included with the help of some questions. So now you have idea what is important, what is like smart work which you all have to do. तो इसी note पे we will start with the very first question right now. बहुत सारी चीजें सीखेंगे with the help of this question. जरा पढ़ते हैं question को. What exactly is the question? Question is saying select the incorrect statement. Which one is incorrect? Wrong है, wrong ढूंढना है. So we should know exactly what these 4 options are, है ना? समझ तो आना चाहिए. तो I hope आपने एक बार पढ़ा है ये चैप्टर, because then it is going to help you. NTSE के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो यार, you must be that much prepared now. Okay? बाकी हूँ मैं हेल्प करने के लिए. देखते हैं. Question is asking C3H8 does not have any isomer. So as I told you, with the help of questions बहुत सारी terms सीखेंगे. Let's know what exactly is an isomer. Iso word itself means same. Isomer and mer means होता है image, like almost same. यानी कि when you have one molecular formula, one compound, that will be same, formula is same, but that can have different kind of structure in organic compounds. So isomer is basically a compound जिसका formula same है, but then that can have different structure. We can name it differently. ओके तो IUPAC nomenclature का वीडियो भी मैंने दिखाया है. Please go through it once. Okay, so I know what is isomer. So question is C3H8 does not have any isomer. The statement is right. First, what exactly is C3H8? C3H8 is nothing but an alkane. So जरा quickly मुझे comment box में बताओ, chat करो जल्दी से. You all are watching. C3H8 is nothing but alkane. What is the name of this? हाइड्रोजन इज डबल प्लस 2. कौन सा फॉर्मूला फॉलो कर रहा है? CnH2n प्लस 2. एल्केन्स फॉर्मूला, जनरल फॉर्मूला. 3 कार्बन के लिए वी यूज prop. So this is propane. And for your kind information, the syllabus has in CBSE syllabus you have nomenclature as well as this isomerism. तो वहां पे ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल लिखा है up to 3 कार्बन. When you have normal hydrocarbon, you can't draw its isomers. 4 carbon में you can draw normal hydrocarbon only, alkane only. यानी कि butane से butane, pentane, hexane and all, they have isomers. This does not have isomer. Isomers means they should have different structure. First I'm writing into this way. There is 3 hydrogen here, 3 here and 2 here. Why on which basis I'm arranging them? On the basis of tetravalency of carbon. Carbon will always make 4 bond. इसके अलावा there is no other possibility to write C3H8. Ma'am, if I write it into this way, if I write into this way, it's almost same. Why बच्चा लोग? Because you know the rules of IUPAC that we always select the longest hydrocarbon chain. It is not necessary that is straight only. Get the point? Very good. So this statement is correct. That's not incorrect. तो एक और बात पता चल गई. What is isomer? And C3 तक के हाइड्रोकार्बन्स के we can't draw isomer. कौन सा? Alkane. Propane का isomer I can't draw. Butane का I can draw. Okay? Then let's come to this thing. The question is H.SO CH3 and CH3COOH are not same organic compound. Okay, this is also one of the other kind of isomerism के है या नहीं. अगर ये दोनों सेम फॉर्मूला फॉलो कर रहे हैं, सेम फॉर्मूला फॉलो कर रहे हैं, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला, बट आई कैन राइट इनटू डिफरेंट functional group, they are known as functional isomers. Okay, when the formula is same but I can change their functional group, that is functional isomers. Functional isomers ये होता है. You know what is functional group? Some set of group, when I remove hydrogen I can add those atom or group, maybe alcohol, maybe carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, that you already know, है ना. तो ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? Some of you might have an idea, some of you might not. Let me clear it. So बच्चा लोग, this is general formula of ester group. Ester, esterification reaction I told you, right? COOR. What exactly is this R? This is known as alkyl group. What exactly is alkyl group, बच्चा लोग? That has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1. CnH2n plus 1. That means whenever you have any alkane and you remove one hydrogen out of it, you are going to get alkyl group. So simplest alkyl group is nothing but methyl group. Methane, you just remove one hydrogen, that will give you alkyl, name will become methyl. So COOR, that is ester group that we can get by adding in by adding a carboxylic acid as well as by adding an alcohol. Okay, alcohol को add करेंगे with carboxylic acid. So what would be the formula will form? तो इसका नाम क्या होगा ये भी मैं बता देती हूँ. Now you know that is ester. So oxygen के बाद whatever will come, we'll name it first. So oxygen के बाद whatever is coming, that will name first. So that is methyl group, I already told you. So name would be methyl. Okay, and then what we are going to write, methyl, अब बच गया ये. Now just forget methyl, HCOO. So that is methanoate. Ester का property है that in the last you are going to end with O8. And then why methane? Meth for one carbon, ane for single bond. यानी कि why single bond? Because all of these functional group are derivative of alkanes only. Alkane के लिए we use ane. So I told you the nomenclature of ester also, you can always name it now. First oxygen के बाद whatever is written, just name it first. So this is methyl. And then भूल जाओ उसको, HCOO. One carbon के लिए meth, then ane, और ester के लिए we always end with O8, जैसे alcohol, ol, aldehyde, al, ketone, on simultaneously. So the name will become methyl methanoate. Fine, but what exactly is this CH3COOH? This we use in our day-to-day life as well. This is nothing but, कौन सा है? Please tell me, जल्दी से बताओ. Isn't it ethanoic acid, which we use in our home in form of vinegar? So vinegar which we have used is nothing but ethanoic acid, ethane for 2 carbon, then ane, oic acid for carboxylic acid. So these are not same organic compound. Yes, true, these are not same organic compounds, but these are functional isomers. Okay, functional isomers से भी question पूछा हुआ है. Now you know what is functional isomer? Same formula. Both have one CH through. Both have one CH3 COOH, CH3 COOH. Formula is same. Molecular formula is same. Functional group is different. Ester and acid. तो क्या है ये? Functional isomers. One more thing we have learnt. Very good. Awesome. Next is, there is no organic compound with formula CH2O. Try to remember, this is CBSE concept only. You know that. This formula CnH2NO, this is generally the formula for aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. Aldehyde means which has CHO group. So isn't it, this is that compound HCHO. HCHO. What is this HCHO? One carbon meth, then ane, single bond के लिए al. CHO के लिए we end with al. Methanol. So ये तो है. So it's not true that there is no organic compound with this formula. Now you know general formula of aldehyde also. See how many things we have learned. So the correct response is nothing but this one. Okay, this one is the correct response. Now अगर इतना जान लिया तो ये भी जान लेते हैं. What exactly is that fourth option? C3H4 has 2 pi bonds. So this is also true. What exactly is the statement? पहले फॉर्मूला बताओ जल्दी से. सब बैठ के देख रहे हो तो you should know right, है ना? C3H4 किसका फॉर्मूला है? जनरल फॉर्मूला CnH2n minus 2. Isn't it alkyne group? Yes, this is alkyne hydrocarbon, 3 carbon के लिए prop. So this is propyne. Propyne I can write this way. 3 carbon, ine means triple bond in the last. So there is H and there is CH3. This is the formula for propyne. It is asking, it has 2 pi bonds. Pi bond is basically that double and triple bond that is formed. So first bond is always single, which we also call sigma. So this bond is sigma, this bond is also sigma. Okay, then whenever second and third bond is formed, तो क्या होता है? Actually orbit also contains some orbitals. So ये carbon में basically p orbitals present है. 4 types of orbitals are there, sp, d, f. तो carbon के पास p orbital present है जिसमें electron है. Now they are going to overlap each other to make that double bond as well as that third triple bond. तो वो जो बॉन्ड होते हैं p बॉन्ड की हेल्प से बनते हैं, आई मीन p ऑर्बिटल की हेल्प से बनते हैं, एंड उनको हम बोलते हैं पाई बॉन्ड. सिग्मा फ्रॉम s ऑर्बिटल इज स्फेरिकल इन नेचर. दे आर गोइंग टू कंबाइन विद ईच अदर टू गिव सिग्मा बॉन्ड. ओके, सिंगल बॉन्ड. डबल एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड p ऑर्बिटल, पाई ऑर्बिटल्स आर गोइंग टू ओवरलैप. सो 1 pi and this is second pi. 2 pi bonds are there, so this statement is also correct. ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है, how many sigma and pi bonds are there in this organic compound? So देखो, one question and so many things. So this is not that statement. एक तीर से 2 शिकार, एक तीर से बहुत सारे शिकार, है ना? We have learned so much about this. So now you know the answer as well. कोई दिक्कत हो, please just watch it again and again. This is very much important to clear it. Yeah, very good. Awesome. Now we know the answer. So let's move to next question. As I told you, equally important. Can you guess it? जल्दी से कमेंट करते रहो, मैं देखती हूँ बाद में कमेंट्स, and I have seen that. Please, this platform is for study only, so stick with that. I read each and every chat of yours, so please maintain that discipline also. I'm requesting you all. We all are putting our best effort so that you can learn new things. Yes, please respect that. Okay, तो जल्दी से next question करते हैं. Question is asking the compound obtained by reaction of C2H5OH. What is the name of that C2H5OH? Quickly tell me. C2H5OH. In the previous question I told you OH group, alcohol group, and in the last we use ol. And 2 carbon के लिए eth. All functional groups are derivative of alkane, means ane तो आएगा ही आएगा. So eth, ane, and in the last we put ol. This is our ethanol, and I just put concentrated sulfuric acid into it and applied 443 Kelvin temperature. That's a very specific reaction. अच्छा, इसके बारे में let's just give you information. What exactly is this concentrated sulfuric acid? So this concentrated sulfuric acid is known as dehydrating agent. Okay, तो ये किसका काम करता है? This act as, now the answer is clear. Dehydrating agent, whenever you put concentrated sulfuric acid with some specific temperature, that can dehydrate your substance. That means that can remove water out of it. Okay, now is this clear? There are some other dehydrating agent like P2O5, phosphorus pentaoxide, that is also dehydrating agent. Okay, as well as calcium chloride, that also act as dehydrating agent. तो अभी यहाँ पे हमने डाला. So इसमें से क्या करना है? Just remove H2O from your substance, you will get the answer. OH हटा दो और एक H हटा दो. Aren't you left with C2H4? Isn't it obvious? ये था फॉर्मूला, ये मैंने OH हटाया और यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन और कम कर दिया. It will left with C2H4. So मेरा इथेनॉल, ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? C2H4. C2 that means CnH2n. ट्वाइस हो गया. एल्कीन का फॉर्मूला है, 2 कार्बन वाला एल्कीन इज इथीन. So this question can ask in X and Y terms also. ये reagent दे देंगे और पूछ लेंगे what exactly is this reaction. This is dehydration. Okay, elimination. एक type लिखवाया था. So this is nothing but elimination reaction. Elimination means removal of something, right? And what we have removed water out of it. यहाँ ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हो. You can write it into this way also. Water remove हो गया. What you are getting? Ethanol से you are getting ethene. Ethanol से you are getting ethene. Isn't it clear to all of you? One more type we have done. तो अच्छा reverse भी कर सकते हो. When you have ethene यानी double bond, you can do addition of water as well. Reverse condition में you will get ethanol. Right? अगर मैं ethene ले लूँ, alkene ले लूँ, I put water with the help of some amount of acid into it. क्या करेंगे? Acidified water लेंगे ताकि water आसानी से dissociate हो जाए and I can get my substance back. So reverse is also true. Reverse में क्या हो जाएगा? I can write it into this way also, right? C2 and H4 है ना? Now what did I do? I put water into it. Water means H.OH है ना? एसिडिफाइड वाटर. रिवर्स कर रही हूँ इसको. एसिडिफाई सम एसिड की ड्रॉप डाली ताकि ये आसानी से डिसोसिएट हो जाए H पॉजिटिव OH नेगेटिव में. एडिशन, एक बॉन्ड टूटेगा, एक H आके यहाँ जुड़ गया, एक OH आके यहाँ जुड़ गया, बाकी सब एग्जैक्टली सेम. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस दैट इज फॉर्म? जरा एक साथ पढ़ो इसको. CH3 CH2OH. CH3 CH2OH is nothing but ethanol. Ethanol यानी कि reverse is also true. यानी कि now we know addition reaction also. Elimination and additions are opposite of each other. Correct? One question, 2 nishana. Right? Very good. So the answer is nothing but A, that is ethene. Okay? Let's move to one more beautiful question. जरा पढ़ो. What is the question? Which of I told you, एक question इससे भी आता है that how can you test the unsaturation present in your hydrocarbon? Unsaturation means double or triple bond. Let's see how you are going to judge double and triple bond. There are some specific tests with the help of which you know whether the substance is unsaturated or not. यानी कि double or triple bond है या नहीं है. One test is written as one test is written as bromine solution, one test is written as Bayer's test, and then I have ethylene glycol and both A and B. So let's know these terms. What exactly is this? If any one of you know the answer, just please tell me. I will say that and I will tell in the next class के हाँ कैसा response रहा, you have the idea or not. तो पहले जानते हैं what exactly is this bromine solution. Bromine water solution. We took bromine which is a reddish brown color का vaporizable liquid जो आसानी से गैस में convert हो जाता है. I just put it into water and I make a solution. So bromine water का solution लिया मैंने. That is again I told you reddish brown. So when you have unsaturation, suppose now I have taken the example of double bond, you can also take an example of triple bond. I put bromine into it. So bromine जो कि reddish brown color का था, whenever you put it into double or triple bond, as I told you, क्या होगा? Try to remember. Halogen, double bond दिख रहा है. Addition of halogen. एक bond टूटेगा, you are going to get one bromine here and one bromine here, बाकी सब same. क्या हुआ क्या इसे? What exactly is the test behind it? Whenever you take your unsaturated compound and put bromine water into it, which was of reddish brown color, आप डाल रहे हो drop by drop, color is going to disappear of that bromine water. तो colorless substance मिल रहा है. As soon as I'm putting reddish brown color का bromine water in your substance, color is going to disappear, means there is unsaturation in the compound. Yes, very good. तो ये तो करेक्ट है. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है we know the answer. Okay, correct. Let's see the other possibility also. So this is also a very famous test. क्या नाम है इसका? Bayer's test. This is nothing but Bayer's test. Bayer's test क्या होता है? ये होता है test that is in which we use aqueous KMnO4. KMnO4 सबको पता है, that is potassium permanganate, right? So I take aqueous solution of potassium permanganate in specific way, should I say this way, okay? So this is cold aqueous KMnO4. ठंडा सा मैंने लिया aqueous KMnO4. Again the same thing. Whenever I put it into this substance which is an alkane, इसका कलर क्या होता है जरा बताओ जल्दी से. Violet color का होता है, right? So this is a violet color substance. Whenever I put it, ये एक bond टूटेगा, it is going to give you OH. पानी में है तो OH ion are going to release और वो आके जुड़ जाएंगे. And color again will become colorless. क्या पता चला whenever you use cold aqueous KMnO4. अच्छा ये नाम ना भी दे, Bayer's test, you should know the condition so that कई बार reverse question दे देते हैं. Questions are almost same only, बस तरीका बदल देते हैं, है ना? So this way also you should know cold aqueous KMnO4 which has violet color, our bromine solution which has reddish brown color, their color is going to disappear whenever you put it into any unsaturated compound. So we can check that whether a substance is unsaturated or not. Yes, clear? Confused नहीं होना. Ethylene glycol is like 2 carbon with OH group. That is not the test. तो वो नहीं आएगा. ये दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट है, यही आंसर है. मतलब आंसर क्या है? बोथ ए एंड बी. आंसर क्या है? बोथ ए एंड बी. आंसर इज नथिंग बट डी. ऑब्वियस, क्लियर? और नई चीजें सीखी? ऑसम, वेरी गुड. So let's move to next question. Again, that is a part of nomenclature which is equally important. तो जरा देखो क्या है मेरा क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव मैक्सिमम डबल बॉन्ड. सो मैक्सिमम डबल बॉन्ड तो आई विल टेल यू व्हेन आई नो द स्ट्रक्चर. तो जरा जल्दी से स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करो. आई हैव प्रोपेनॉन. कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? क्विकली टेल मी विच फंक्शनल ग्रुप डज इट हैव? ओन. ओन मीन्स कीटोन. कीटोन मतलब CO ग्रुप. प्रॉप मतलब 3 कार्बन. 3 कार्बन का मेरे पास है अपना सब्सटेंस. ओन मतलब CO ग्रुप, दैट इज कीटोन ग्रुप विच इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस चेन ओनली. सो दिस इज प्रोपेनॉन. CO ग्रुप in between 2 carbon. Prop means 3 carbon. Now by writing hydrogen I'm balancing its valency, that is 4 carbon का. Every carbon is making 4 bond. So this is propanol. Now I will write propene. Prop मतलब 3 carbon and ene मतलब double bond. So ये double bond है, okay? That is double bond only. And then satisfy its valency. Right? 4 valency. This is propene. What exactly is propanol? Prop 3 carbon. Ol कौन सा ग्रुप है? Isn't ol is a nothing but OH group, alcohol group. So इसके साथ there is one OH group attached. Now you will be like, ma'am, what will happen if we add OH into second position? Again, these will become functional isomer. Same formula but functional. Not functional isomer, positional isomer. Position of your OH group, position of your functional group is going to change. Functional group is still the same, but position of functional group is changed. This is known as positional isomers. Okay, this is known as positional isomer. Position बदल जाती है of your functional group. Functional isomer क्या था? Functional group बदल जाते हैं. Functional groups are going to change with the same formula, right? So this is again CH3, CH3, CH2OH. Correct? Now we should know what exactly is benzene. So benzene is a common name only. Benzene is basically 6 carbon ka chain which is hexagonal in nature. Every vertices pe there is carbon and alternate position pe there is double bond. So every vertices is nothing but carbon को represent कर रहे हैं. And by satisfying its valency, every carbon is making 3 bonds. So there is one hydrogen. I hope the structure is clear to all of you. This is our benzene. In short, we can show you with the help of that dabba only, hexagonal ring with a double bond on alternate position. हर एक कार्बन के बॉन्ड को छोड़ दो फिर डबल बॉन्ड, फिर एक बॉन्ड छोड़ दो फिर डबल बॉन्ड. Okay. So the question is which is having maximum double bond. So कौन सा है maximum double bond? Isn't it obviously nothing but benzene? Benzene has three what? 3 double bond. So this is the answer. इसमें एक भी डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, इसमें एक डबल बॉन्ड है, इसमें डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में पूछता है. whenever the question asks double, triple bond and single bond, they are concerned about carbon carbon bond. Okay, so this is the answer, right? So let's move ahead now with the next question, right? Now benzene, now we know. Again, very important question about the common nomenclature. Now some idea we have about IUPAC nomenclature. बार बार हम बात कर रहे हैं. Now let's talk about common nomenclature. Common nomenclature means sometimes there are so many substances which are known by their common name, just like my common name, my घर का name, nickname is Anu, and my official name is Anubha. So that's a difference. Simultaneously, they are telling you about a formula, and let's just know what exactly is this, right? One second. Yes. Question is saying, you are like, ma'am, answer दिखा दे रहे हो. थोड़ा slide का issue है, but we should know the whole concept. No, that is our main priority. पता होना चाहिए आंसर क्या है, that is the second priority. आंसर कैसे आया, that is the main priority. Okay, let's see the statement. IUPAC name of isopentane. तो isopentane क्या है, that's a common name. So you should know when we use iso. Very important, please listen to me very carefully, very carefully. iso कब use करते हैं? When you have 2-methyl alkane, okay? 2-methyl alkane. That means whatever alkane you are having, whatever chain you are having, on second position there must be a methyl group. कैसे? Suppose I have this chain, second position, methyl group. Now we know very well what is methyl group. That is CH3 group. Isn't all of that very important information जो आपको help कर रही है इस chapter में? तो I hope you all will share your love for Vedantu's 9th and 10th और जल्दी से like and subscribe ज़रूर करेंगे so that every time you are going to learn so many things. Okay? तो ज़रा बताओ, समझ में आया? What is second position? Whenever you name with the IUPAC rules, you should know what exactly are the number of carbons in your main chain, parent chain. और उसको numbering देते हो 1, 2, 3 so that you know how many number of carbons are there exactly in that chain. So second position पे whenever you have methyl group, that is where we use iso as the common name. तो इसका common name क्या हुआ? अगर मैं इसी का common name बताना चाहूँ तो I just satisfied all of the carbons valency. So इसका common name is 2-methyl. तो scientific name था with propane, है ना? Why prop? Main carbon में, I mean main chain में there are 3 carbon with alkane. Scientific name done. Common name में as I told you we are going to use iso. कैसे करते हैं common name? ये देखो, iso means 2-methyl group. Now we are going to summarize how many total number of carbons are there. 4. So this is but, this is ane. So this substance is isobutane. So now can't you draw the structure of isopentane? Yes, you all can draw. अब पता है chat box में नहीं कर सकते, but comment box में ज़रूर कर सकते हो. कैसे बनाएंगे? 2-methyl बनाना है and there must be total 5 carbon. 4 carbon, total 5 means there must be 1 carbon here. ज़रूरी नहीं है यहाँ रखो, यहाँ भी रख सकते हो. We should know the counting, like from which side I'm counting, from left to right or right to left. जहाँ से भी करो, second position पे methyl लगा दो. Second position पे it's methyl, correct. बाकी अब balance कर दो, लगा के hydrogen. Total carbon is 5. So this is iso, total carbon 5, so pentane. And again it's a common name only. CH3, CH, CH2 and CH3. तो अब जल्दी से इसका scientific name बताओ मुझे. What exactly is the scientific name of this? As I told you, this is obvious 2-methyl. तो लिखो 2-methyl. आगे what would be the name? 1 2 3 4. How come 2 methyl? Second position पे there is methyl. Main chain, my parent chain has 4 carbon. 4 के लिए ब्यूट, single bond के लिए एन. So this is nothing but 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. Isn't it clear to all of you now? Very good, awesome. We learnt a very new concept now. तो चलो, on this note, let's move ahead with the one more beautiful question. थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है जो मैंने आपको बताया. क्या? आइसोमर. कौन सा आइसोमर? फंक्शनल आइसोमर की बात कर रहा है. Why I know that this is functional isomer? Because all of the substance which is given here is is carrying different functional group. How come? One substance is ethanol, alcohol as the functional group. One is dimethyl ether. Oh, this name we haven't heard. So there is one more functional group which will come in 11th and 12th or in NTSE. Ether functional group hai, ether. I'll tell you what exactly is ether also. Then we have methanol and then propanol. Methanol is again alcohol. Meth means 1 carbon wala. This is 1 carbon wala alcohol. That is 2 carbon wala alcohol. Then we have dimethyl ether. Methyl, you know, CH3, 2 times CH3 containing ether group, and propanol aldehyde group containing 3 carbon. तो पहले क्या करते हैं? स्ट्रक्चर लिखते हैं. आइसोमर पूछा है. आइसोमर I told you same molecular formula. So first I'll write down all the substance, then I'll make their molecular formula. I'll write it, then I'll compare. Okay? Ethanol. Ethanol is CH3 CH2OH. 2 carbon के लिए eth, then ane, then OH के लिए all. Ethanol. So combined form में if I want to write, there is 2 carbon, there is 6 hydrogen, there is 1 oxygen. है ना? I just wrote it in form of a molecule. What exactly is the formula? Let's move ahead. Now I'm telling you what exactly is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl means 2 methyl. Ether is actually whenever in between 2 carbon, when you have only oxygen, that is ether. When in between 2 carbon, when you have a CO group, that is ketone. In between 2 carbon, there is 1 oxygen, that is ether group. So this is dimethyl ether. 2 methyl carry करता हुआ ether, बीच में oxygen लगाना है, that is ether. COC group in short. Okay? So this is dimethyl ether. Write down the molecular formula. 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen, oxygen. Ma'am, now we already got the answer. नहीं, let's just write other formula also. Ma'am, क्यों जाना है? 2 carbon, मिथ में तो 1 carbon है, prop में तो 3 carbon है. So they are not going to give you same molecular formula. So just see the beauty. Now you can have a clear idea और functional group के बारे में पता चल गया. Same molecular formula होना चाहिए. If I want to write methanol, so methanol would be CH3OH. One second, yes. So methanol would be CH3OH. Meth 1 carbon, then ane, then all. And then if I want to write propanol, CH3, CH2, CH.O. Prop for 3 carbon, then ane, CH.O group is aldehyde group. Okay, and that carbon should be included in the chain. ये मत बोलना मैम functional group is not included, that is included. So इसका formula लिखेंगे methanol का C1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. This is 3 carbon, hydrogen is 3 to 5 and then 1 6 है ना, and then 1 oxygen. अब बताओ what exactly are isomers of each other in between these two. Now isn't it very much clear to all of you? देख रहे हो formula, इन दोनों का formula is same. What exactly is isomer? Same molecular formula, different maybe position of functional group, maybe functional group are different, maybe that alkyl group, that substituent is different. तो that is isomer. ये specifically कौन से isomers है? एक alcohol group carry कर रहा है and one is carrying ether group. Different functional group. So these are known as functional isomers. Write what we are going to call it? We are going to call it functional isomers. Very much clear to you now. Yes, awesome. ये दोनों आप कहाँ देख रहे हो लिखा हुआ? That ethanol and dimethyl ether कहाँ है? ये रहा. So what exactly is the answer? Please tell me. Premiered है, I know, but I will see your response. So isn't it the answer is C? Okay? Ethanol and dimethyl ether देखना ही नहीं है बाकी सबको. तो बहुत सारे पार्ट, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आपको क्लियर हो गए. तो एक होमवर्क क्वेश्चन देते हैं तो मुझे पता चलेगा दैट यू आर वॉचिंग टिल द एंड. यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट. बहुत चीजें पता है, कुछ हिंट मैं दूंगी, बाकी क्वेश्चन आप करेंगे. ओके, तो जरा देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग सम XYZ, राइट? अल्केलाइन KMnO4 हिंट दे रही हूँ, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. देयर इज एन X सब्सटेंस, कोई भी एक X नाम का सब्सटेंस है. अल्केलाइन KMnO4 लिया आपने और उसको हीट किया. So बच्चा लोग, alkaline KMnO4 means you just took KMnO4 which is a violet color, you put some base aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH, alkaline KMnO4 बना लिया. This alkaline KMnO4 is nothing but OA. Okay, what exactly is OA? OA is known as oxidizing agent. It can do oxidation of your given substance. It does oxidation of your given substance. And then तो ये क्या है, और वो Y दे रहा है, और देन दिस X एंड Y आर गोइंग टू कंबाइन टू गिव एस्टेरिफिकेशन. तो यहाँ से हिंट मिल गया. एस्टेरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन आई टोल्ड यू इन वेरी बिगिनिंग इज अ रिएक्शन ऑफ अ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड एल्कोहल. तो X और Y में एक मेरा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है एंड देन वन वुड बी व्हाट? एल्कोहल. और बेटर आइडिया कैसे लगेगा? देयर आर ऑप्शन. तो वो ऑलरेडी सब ऑप्शन देख के लग रहा है दैट वन इज इथेनॉल एंड वन इज इथेनोइक एसिड. इथेनॉल एज एन एल्कोहल, इथेनोइक एसिड एज द एसिड, क्योंकि सारे ऑप्शन वही कह रहे हैं. दीज आर द टू ऑप्शन ओनली विच इज प्रेजेंट एज एल्कोहल एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, राइट? तो अब अगर मैं देखूं, मुझे करना है ऑक्सीडेशन. तो इथेनॉल और इथेनोइक एसिड को कंपेयर करोगे, इथेनोइक एसिड मस्ट बी हैविंग मोर ऑक्सीजन. CH3 CH2OH, there is one oxygen. CH3 COOH, 2 oxygen. So अब यहां से पिक्चर क्लियर है that ethanol can undergo oxidation to give you CH3 COOH, इथेनोइक एसिड. यानी कि यहां पे मेरा ये था, है ना? You just perform its alkaline KMnO4 वाला ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, और ये दे रहा है ये. तो अब पिक्चर क्लियर हो गई. नाउ वी नो X is an ethanol, not an ethanol, that is an alcohol which is known as ethanol. ये मेरा है इथेनोइक एसिड एंड ये दोनों मिलके बनाएंगे एस्टेरिफिकेशन. तो बस प्रोडक्ट बनाना है. एस्टेरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन क्या होती है? वेन एवर यू मिक्स इन इथेनॉल एंड एल्कोहल एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, वाटर इज गोइंग टू रिमूव. ये एसिड की प्रेजेंस में होता है. अगेन एसिड विल रिमूव वाटर आउट ऑफ इट, और क्या बन जाएगा? एस्टर. तो आपको उस एस्टर का फॉर्मूला बताना है. इन वेरी बिगनिंग, इन वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू नेम एस्टर. O के बाद वाले ग्रुप को यू विल राइट फर्स्ट, देन द नेम ऑफ द एल्केन, देन लास्ट में यू हैव टू पुट O8. ओके, तो होमवर्क क्या है विच आई विल बी नीडिंग एज योर रिस्पॉन्स कि व्हाट इज दैट एस्टर एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मैम बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन पता चल गई. वी कैन ईजिली गेस द आंसर नाउ इवन विदाउट डूइंग इट. सो इसको बोलते हैं स्मार्ट वर्क, बट हमेशा हार्डवर्क बेकार नहीं जाता है, तो वो भी करना है, राइट? सो ऑन दिस नोट, it was very nice to do each and every part and so many important questions of carbon and its compound. From my side it is done. So session का PDF जरूर डाउनलोड कर लेना न्यू स्टूडेंट्स. हमारी डाउट सॉल्विंग ऐप पे योर क्वेश्चन आर गोइंग टू बी सॉल्व्ड very soon. So you can download it and you can post your doubt over there. It is going to be solved as soon as possible. और सेशन का PDF you are going to get on that app only. तो ये पूरा फॉर्मेट है, कैसे सेलेक्ट करना है, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट, और वहाँ आपको सेशन का PDF मिल जाएगा, राइट? एंड ऑल योर लवली टीचर्स आर ऑन Telegram as well, so you can chat with your teachers, you can get the schedules and you can get each and every information as well as doubt भी solve होंगे. तो ज़रा डाउनलोड कर लेना, लिंक है इसी में वीडियो के एंड में, वहाँ से जाके यू कैन ज्वाइन इट. ओके. And बच्चा लोग, I tried my best that you will get the hint of this chapter as well as we have done so many important questions of this chapter. So my request from all of you, please do this, like this video, share your love and subscribe to Vedantu's 9th and 10th channel, and please share it with your friends so that they should know about this platform. On this note, NTSE के लिए all the very best. You all do very well, I know that, and I have full faith in you. Okay, we'll meet next time. Till that, bye bye everyone, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, all the best.